Hello guys, this is Asif, and in this tutorial we are going to see how we can use recovery manager scripts to perform database full incremental cumulative disk and tape backups. So to use recovery manager scripts, we need to register our database with the recovery catalog database, because as we know that recovery manager works in two modes: catalog mode and no catalog mode. Unfortunately, in no catalog mode, backup scripts feature of recovery manager is not available. If you want to use backup scripts feature of recovery manager, you must connect your target database with recovery catalog database. So let's get started and see how we can do it. So as I have already registered my database, whose name is DB, into the recovery catalog in the previous video, so I will start from the process of developing the scripts. So I will connect with RMAN, set Oracle SID is DB, which is going to be our target database. The other database which we have got is dbcat, that is DB database catalog. So I will say RMAN connect with target database in catalog mode. Name of the user is RMAN USR. Name of the password is RMAN PWD, and the service is dbcat. Go. So now my recovery manager is connected with target database, and in catalog mode it is connected with dbcat database using RMAN user, and RMAN is his password. So I will say list backup summary. No backup was performed. I will create a script. I will create a very simple script just to give you some idea how we can develop a script and how we can execute the script. So I will create a script and then I will execute the script just to show you how we can do it. Later on we are going to develop some more complicated scripts which are normally used in any production environment. Create script. Name of the script is my script, and this script is going to perform the backup of the database. Backup database, that's it, and here we go. So the script has been created. This is a very simple script, very basic script. The script name is my script. What this script is going to do is simply perform full backup of the database. Now I will execute this script to create the backups. So I can say run execute script whose name is my script semicolon, and hit go. Now the backup script which we just created is being executed. This backup script is going to perform the full backup of the database as we have learned in the other tutorials. What we are going to do, once this script is completed, we are going to create some more complicated scripts, and then we are going to call those scripts to perform database backups. Those scripts can be used on tape media. Those scripts can be used on disk media also. We are going to allocate multiple channels. We are going to specify the names of the channels. We are going to execute a separate command to perform the backup of the database. Then we are going to execute separate command to perform the backup of archive log files. Then we are going to execute a separate command to perform the backup of control files. So let's proceed and let this complete. Yeah, it's almost complete. So if I say list backup summary, so you can see the backup has been generated, which was earlier not there. So this script which we have created and given a name, we have executed this script and here it goes. Now what we are going to do, we are going to develop some more complicated scripts to show you how we can script RMAN regular procedures. So here I for your own convenience I have developed few scripts. I will show you what I am going to do in those scripts. This is a script whose name is weekly full disk. You can name the script as you wish. However, I would suggest it should be meaningful name and it should be easy to understand name. What I am doing here is I am allocating one channel whose name is C1. This channel is going to use disk media to perform the backups, and the backup files which are going to be generated will be kept into the Aura data folder inside into the BKP folder, and the name of those backup files is going to be db underscore df underscore unt, that is timestamp. So I am allocating this channel name is C1. Then I am allocating another channel whose name is C2. Then I am allocating another third channel whose name is C3. So why I am allocating three different channels? The reason being that the backup process will be performed much faster. At the same time, multiple files will be backed up, so the whole process of the database backup will be performed in short period of time. So if I allocate only one channel, then the process is going to take little bit more time as compared to allocating three channels. So what I am going to do here, I am performing incremental level 0 backup of the database, and as you know, incremental level 0 database backup is the full backup of the database. Then I am backing up archive log files, all the archive log files, and those archive log files will be kept in the BKP folder, which is inside Aura data folder, which is inside D drive, and the name of those backup sets generated for the archive log files is going to be arc underscore dbid u then underscore t s and then underscore t. And here this point is also very important. I'm specifying here that those files, those archive log files should be backed up which have not been backed up 2 times. So if some archive log file is available in archive log location and that archive log file has already been backed up 3 times or 4 times, that file is not going to be backed up. Then I am saying delete those archive log files which are older than 1 week and which have been backed up at least one time to device type disk. So all those archive log files which have been backed up one time and who are older than 6 days will be deleted. Then in the end I am releasing a channel, release channel C1, release channel C2, release channel C3, all those channels which I already created. So I am going to copy this script and execute it in RMAN to create this script in RMAN environment. So I am going to do. So now you can see that a backup script has been created. That backup script name is weekly full disk. So I am going to do run execute script weekly full disk. So the backup has allocated 3 different channels. 3 different channels are performing the backups of multiple files. So the backup will be completed in short period of time as compared to allocating a one channel. While the